Hello everyone, you're welcome to solve this nice algebra problem, which is 3 to power m, subtract 2 to power m. This is equal to 65. So what is the value of m? Now solution from here. Now we have 3 to power m, subtract 2 to power m. This is equal to 65. Now we can express 3 to power m as 3 to power m raised to power 1, subtract 2 to power m raised to power 1. This is equal to 65. Now from here, we can express 1 as 2 divided by 2. Substituting this, we'll have 3 to power m raised to power 2 over 2. Subtract 2 to power m raised to power 2 over 2. This is equal to 65. The next step from here, we have that this is the same thing as 3 to power m over 2 raised to power 2. Subtract 2 to power m over 2 raised to power 2. This is equal to 65. Now we have 3 to power m raised to power 2 over 2. Subtract 2 to power m raised to power 2 over 2. This is equal to 65. Now, given that a to power n times m, we can express this as a to power n raised to power m. Applying this exponent property, then we'll have 3 to power m over 2 raised to power 2, subtract 2 to power m over 2 raised to power 2. This is equal to 65. Now, the next step from here, we just say let 3 to power m over 2 being given as x, and 2 to power m over 2 be given as y. So therefore from here, we'll have x squared subtract y squared. This is equal to 65. X squared minus y squared, this is in the form of a squared minus b squared, which is the difference of two squares, which you can express as a plus b, a minus b. Now from here, we have x squared minus y squared. This is equal to x plus y, x minus y. This is equal to 65. And given that x here is greater than 0 and y is greater than 0. Now from here, x squared minus y squared, this is equal to x plus y, x minus y, which is equal to 65. The next, we have that x squared minus y squared, we can express this as x plus y, x minus y, this is equal to 65. We can express 65 as 13 multiplied by 5. So here we have x plus y, x minus y, this is equal to 13 multiplied by 5. So in this case, we'll have x plus y, this is equal to 13, and here we'll have x minus y, this is equal to 5. Now this is a system of two linear equations. Let's add these two systems of linear equations. Here we'll have x plus x, this is 2x. And then here we'll have y plus minus y, that simplifies. And here we'll have 13 plus 5, this is equal to 18. Now let's divide both sides by 2 here, so that now the value of x is equal to 9. This is the value of x. Now let's get the value of y. We have that x plus y, this is equal to 13. So we have 9 plus y, this is equal to 13. So y is equal to 13 subtract 9. And this is basically equal to 4. Now, if you recall, we had that 3 to power m over 2, this is equal to x. In this case, x is equal to 9. Let's substitute here. So you'll have 3 raised to power m over 2. This is equal to 9. We can express 9 as 3 to power 2. So let's substitute this. So here you'll have 3 to power m over 2. This is equal to 3 to power 2. And given that the bases are common here, that is 8 to power n, this is equal to 8 to power m. And since the bases are common, then the exponent n is equal to m. That implies that m over 2 is equal to 2. So let's multiply both sides by 2. And therefore, the value of m here is equal to 2 times 2, which is equal to 4. Now, let's check the value of m when y is equal to 4. Now, again, if you recall, we are saying that let 2 to power m over 2 be given as y. And y in this case, y is equal to 4. So let's substitute this. We will have 2 to power m over 2. This is equal to 4. We can express 4 as 2 to power 2. Let's substitute this. So we'll have 2 to power m over 2. This is equal to 2 to power 2. And given that the bases are common here, that is 8 to power m, this is equal to 8 to power n. And bases are common here, the exponent m is equal to n. Applying this property, then here we'll have m over 2. This is equal to 2. So let's multiply both sides by 2 here. And therefore, m is equal to 4. The value of m is equal to 4. Now, the next step here is to verify. Here. Now, if you recall here, we have seen that 3 to power m subtract 2 to power m, this should give us a value of 65. Now, given that m is equal to 4, we'll have 3 to power 4 subtract 2 to power 4. This should give us a value of 65. Now, this implies that 3 to power 4 here, this is equal to 81. And 2 to power 4 here, this is equal to 16. So therefore, we'll have 81 subtract 16. This should give us a value of 65. So 81 minus 16, this is 65, which is equal to 65. And therefore, the left hand side is equal to the right hand side. And that implies that the value of m, which is equal to 4, satisfies the equation. So kindly follow the steps, like this video, and subscribe. See you in the next video.